Hey guys, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here. Today we're doing the screen replacement on a P30 Pro. It's a pretty expensive screen, so what I've tried to do is I saw these other screens that were significantly cheaper online. I got it in. It looks like it actually has a flat screen. As you can see there, it's got a flat screen and it's actually got a bezel around it. These screens to buy brand new for the P30 Pros are roughly $400, and this guy was about 50 bucks USD to buy. So this actually makes it nice and cost effective to do this repair, and that way we don't have to dispose of these phones, and we can actually continue to repair electronics rather than throw them away. Anyways, here we go. I'm going to start by removing the back. Alright, so now I'm going to start, now that we have that off, I'm going to start taking these off, the screws off. Now we want to There we go.
I'll take both, so whichever order.
COVID coaster. I haven't heard that one. That's fine. It's a good one.
Okay, so I think I'm good with leaving this screen on. I'm just gonna adhere all these to the back, and then I'm gonna continue to remove this screen from the front because we do need to reuse the frame. As you can see, this is going to sit sort of like so on top of this.
Good morning, the Network Hub. How can I help you?
So yeah. So this guy goes in here. I don't have the foggiest clue what it does. And it's a serious magnet. It looks like it was attached to the back of the screen that I had to remove, so I think it's going to go back on the screen here. I think is where they want us to put it. So, anywho, that's interesting. So we'll keep that out for later. Let's just pick off some of the parts around the screen. Alright, so this guy's turning on. And so far it looks like a pretty good looking screen. Touch is working. Everything seems to be working so far on this.
Oh no, that slipped off. Shit.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go clamp this for 24 hours. Alright guys, Bruce Milligan here from CellPro, or part 2 of this repair. Basically, I have put it back together and I made sure that it is working fine. This, I found, is actually the earpiece speaker. And there is a piece that you have to glue to the screen, as you saw on part 1 of this video. There is a magnet that I glued to the screen, and it actually vibrates. And vibrates the screen, which then vibrates in the same frequency so your ear can hear it. So that's pretty cool, and it's working fine with this repair. Anyways, so I'm just going to continue on here.
I've already put the board in for everyone, so that was pretty straightforward. I put this single screw in. Oh, I've reattached the antennas as well, here and here. What do you want?
Alright, so yeah, let's carry on. Yeah, that's what I do. Alright, and let's turn this bad boy on. And there we go. So it seems to be working perfectly. And I've already tested the microphone, earpiece speaker, to make sure that it does work. Alright guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks. Bye.